Hello, today I will cook cod fish with chorizo and vegetable. Therefore, you need 600 gram of codfish. It's for 4 people. 100 gram chorizo, 1 onion, 3 garlic pieces, 300 gram of potato, 400 gram of different vegetable, but tomato inside always, and the rest you can choose all what you want. Here I took 1 courgette, tomato, carrots, pepper, and those kind of things. Okay, and then salt and pepper. I will begin by peeling my chorizo and cut it in small slices, thin slices. I will put them in a pan without any oil because they are fat enough. We need a pan you can cover, of course. I have a special Spanish pan for. So I cut my onion in big pieces, the pepper also. I chop them in big pieces. I put them one by one in the pan, the same with the carrots and the other vegetable. Just for the courgette, I wait a little bit because it cooks really quickly. So I will put the courgette a little bit later in the pan. The same for the potatoes. You put the potatoes inside too, and then you cover and you put on a small fire, really small fire. A little bit salt, of course, pepper, not too much because the chorizo is already salted and spicy now. I put two tablespoons of water inside to be sure it won't burn, but normally you don't need, but it's always better and more safe. I chop my tomato too and slice in pieces like the other one, and I put them on the top. Garlic, of course. And I will let baked 1.5 hours on a small fire till all the vegetable I cooked. And it's almost ready. Now you can do it in advance. When you will eat, you just put hot fire under the pan. You put the fish. You can use codfish, but different kind of fish if you want. Normally I use the salmon and codfish, and different you can put them. And then you cover, you let it boil, and 10 minutes after, it's ready to eat. You just can put the pan on the table for your friends and just enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the link on the screen. See you for other recipes. Bye bye.